Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the carnivore diet versus the keto diet. These two diets are very popular right now, and they both have their own set of potential benefits and risks. In this video, I will compare and contrast the two diets, and discuss which one might be right for you. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet that only allows you to eat meat, fish, and eggs. You can also drink water and unsweetened tea or coffee. This diet is based on the idea that humans are naturally carnivores and that eating a diet of only animal products is the best way to achieve optimal health. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that forces your body to burn fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This is done by restricting your carb intake to 20 to 50 grams per day. The keto diet is based on the idea that when your body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy, it will start to burn fat instead. This process is called ketosis. What are the benefits of the carnivore diet? There are a number of potential benefits to the carnivore diet. Some people report that they experience improvements in their energy levels, mood, and gut health after following this diet. Others report losing weight and improving their overall health. What are the risks of the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet, and it's important to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients that you need. Some people who follow this diet may experience nutrient deficiencies, such as vitamin B12 deficiency. It's also important to talk to your doctor before starting the carnivore diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. What are the benefits of the keto diet? The keto diet has been shown to have a number of benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control, reduced risk of heart disease, increased energy levels, improved mood. What are the risks of the keto diet? The keto diet is a relatively new diet, and there is still some research to be done on its long-term effects. However, some potential risks of the keto diet include keto flu, kidney stones, muscle loss, nutritional deficiencies. Which diet is right for you? The best diet for you is the one that you can stick to and that makes you feel your best. If you're considering trying the carnivore diet or the keto diet, I recommend starting slowly and gradually adding more animal products or fat to your diet. You can also talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to get more personalized advice. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand the difference between the carnivore diet and the keto diet. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.